Hi, it's Andy from Andy TV. Today I'm going to show you top 5 reasons I miss about iOS 13. And currently I'm using iOS 12 on my iPhone. Reason 1. Find my friends. In iOS 13, if I'm going to see my friend, I can set to send notification when I leave my place, and another notification when arrived. This is a feature I use every day. Reason 2. Memoji. Memoji on iOS 12 looks bad. In iOS 13, Memoji can wear AirPods to get emotional sticker in iMessage. Also, in iOS 12, the video is only 720p, and in iOS 13, it's 1080p. Reason 3. Dark mode. iPhone XS Max is using OLED, which means it can show the true black, turning off specific pixels. I love this feature. However, due to jailbreak, I'm still using iOS 12. Reason 4. FiLMiC Pro. FiLMiC Pro requires iOS 13 to run. I'm filming my video with iPhone, and I would like to use external audio, this, with FiLMiC Pro. So I want to upgrade it. Reason 5. Uncover. Jailbreak only works on iOS 12 before, so that's why I'm still using iOS 12. As Uncover released new version that supports all versions of iOS and phones. Yeah, I'm upgrading to iOS 13. See you in iOS 13. If you like my video, feel free to like and subscribe. Thank you.